Hi guys, today we are going to start AutoCAD tutorial for beginners for which we'll be using AutoCAD 2007. Whatever basics you learn here, you can apply that in any version of AutoCAD, be it 2010, 2015, 16, 17 or 18. In this tutorial, we'll learn to draw a line, but before that, there are certain basic settings that we need to apply before we start. So remember to use these settings whenever you start your work in AutoCAD. First thing that you need to do is fix the origin. You can see in the bottom left corner here our XY origin. So whenever we'll scroll mouse button, uh, this origin will move as you can see here, creating difficulty for us while drawing. So we need to fix this origin. Remember, in AutoCAD we either use a graphic interface with set of these icons to draw or modify objects. You can see here in the left corner. For example, I may use this line tool to create a line, or I may use this circle icon to create circle. And the method in AutoCAD is that you can use shortcut command for which you need to know the shortcut command. For example, for line you can press L in the keyboard and then press enter. You can either use space or enter or escape. So once you type L and press enter, you can then specify the line. We'll talk in more detail about how to draw the line later on this video. Now let's get back to fixing the origin. To fix the origin, we need to type the command UCSICON and press enter. So then it will ask the option whether to on off all no origin or origin properties. We need no origin, so we'll type N. So the command is activated. Now if we scroll the mouse, the origin is not going to move. So this way we have fixed the origin. In the second step, we need to make the unit setting as well. We need to apply unit setting, for which we need to type the command UN, press the command UN and then enter. It will ask for length type, angle type, precision. Precision is the amount of error that we are willing to take. Let's check in length type. They have given architectural, decimal, engineering. uh, Most of the time people use either architectural, decimal or engineering. Particularly in western countries, decimal is more popular. In eastern countries, they may use architectural or engineering. Engineering drawing may be the structural drawings, whereas architectural may be the floor plans, that sort of drawings. Generally, architectural and engineering drawing are taken in the scale of inches and feet, whereas decimal may be using millimeters, uh, centimeters, meters. So we'll use decimal for now and put precision 0 and take units as millimeters and then click on OK. So we have now fixed the unit setting as well. Now let's start with drawing. Today in this video we'll learn to draw a line. So as you can see here in the draw toolbar, there is a line icon. So you can click on that, or you can simply press L and then press enter. So after that you have to specify first point. click anywhere you want. Okay, right now I'm only able to move in either 0, 90, 180 or 270 degree direction. This is because I have activated this ortho. I'll off this. So now you can move uh, anywhere in this space and draw line. Once you specify second point, you can press escape to discontinue. So you have drawn a line. Now there are some useful settings in AutoCAD. For example, ortho, snap, track, as you can see here in the bottom. So what happens when you activate this option is that, for example, if you on this ortho, as you saw earlier, the line will only move in perpendicular direction. So this will be very useful if you are uh, drawing plans or any objects that needs uh, to be drawn in perpendicular direction very accurately, precisely. Now, and the function is your snap in the AutoCAD. What snap do is it shows important points in object. For example, if I want to draw a line, and if I try to check in this existing objects, it will show midpoint and end point. So if I want to draw a line from the midpoint, then I can just search for the midpoint here, and it will automatically show the midpoint, and I can then draw a line from that midpoint. Similarly, what O-track do is it gives us various reference tracking line. For example, if I want to draw a line, and for example if I pointed it in midpoint and I try to go down, it starts showing reference line. So I can take point in this reference line wherever I want, or I may choose to go perpendicular, and if I try to move perpendicular this from this point, it will show the perpendicular reference line. So I can take any point here in this reference line and draw the object. So these are the functions of OSnap and OTrack and also ortho. So it is recommended to on these options. Also, you can check the settings and adjust what you want. For example, if you right click on OTrack and go to settings, you can choose what to show and what not to show in reference line. So for example, if you don't want tangent, you can off it, or if you don't want to want the system to show midpoint, you can off it, but generally we need it, so we will keep it. Similarly, for OSnap as well, you can right click and go to settings and choose whatever option you want to show in the objects. Now let's get back to drawing. I'll activate this line command and then specify first point, and then specify second point wherever I want, and then press escape. In this case, I have randomly chosen the length. I have not specified the length. I just knew first point and my second point, and I drew the line. Now there is another way to draw the line as well, in which we can specify the distance. Again, we have to activate this line command and then specify first point. Then in whatever direction you want to draw the line, you can uh, move the mouse to that direction and then type the distance. In this case, we have given millimeter as unit, so we'll choose for example, length of line is 20 millimeter, so we'll type 20 and then press enter. Now the system has given the length of this line is 20 millimeters. Now let's activate this ortho and then uh, draw perpendicular lines. Again, we'll activate this line command and then specify first point and uh, draw a line. For example, I'll take in this 0 degree angle and then type 20 and press enter. So it made a line of 20, so it will continue from here. I'll move upward and type 30 and press enter, so it made a line of 30 millimeter. So if you need to check whether the line is 30 millimeter or not, you can use dimension tool, uh, which will which we will learn later. So it has made a line of 30 millimeter. Now what if you want to draw a line at certain angle? For that, let's deactivate this also, and let's activate line command again. We'll specify the point here. For example, if I want the line to be drawn in 30 degree, what I need to do is type command for which type less than sign, then type 30 degree, then press enter. Now in this direction you can specify the next point in any way in 30 degree direction, so you can choose to uh, click on this 30 degree angle wherever you want. So I have clicked here. Now in the ways you can specify the distance as well, in this case as well. uh, for example, I want 20 millimeter line with 30 degree angle, for which again we need to activate line command, specify first point here, and then now in this case you have to type, give the command at the rate 20 and less than sign and then 30 degree, 30 for angle. So at the rate 20 less than sign 30 and press enter. So it drew a line with 30 degree angle and length 20 millimeters. Always remember that angle is taken from east side in anti-clockwise direction. So these are the ways how you can draw a line in AutoCAD. In upcoming videos, we'll try to draw other type of objects such as circle, polygon, cloud, and also we'll learn about the modify tools to modify these objects. Thank you for watching our video. Do subscribe our channel to get more such tutorials in coming days. Thank you.